Hey, what's up everybody? So today I'm going to show y'all how to redo a steam vent. This with one of these. I bought this off of Wish, and I bought this other little fitting off of out of Napa locally. And what my plan is, basically I'm going to cut into this line right there. I'm going to put the steam vent in right there for my LS swap. So those of y'all who having problems with your steam vent for your LS swap, this is what you can do. I got the 40 millimeter. I'm draining the radiator right now. If you don't know how to do that, maybe this ain't the job for you. But start with draining our radiator. Oh yeah, it's coming out now. I already know I've got the wrong antifreeze in here, but it was cold and I didn't want the thing to freeze and bust. Alright, so now that I got that done, I think I want this to be right there. Here goes. Ooh, nastiness. I'll get that later. Alright, I got my two clamps here. I just stuck that on there. I'm going to tighten it down real quick. Once again, I know these ain't the right pliers, but that's what I got. I just put a little bit of Teflon tape on that fitting to make sure it didn't leak. Get it good and snug there. Oh, that's a little bit big for this LS size. This is the 40 millimeter size. I'm gonna make it fit. You just don't know it yet. So yeah, if you maybe could find like a 36 millimeter or something like that, it might work a little bit better. This was a 40 millimeter off Wish. I talked my daughter into buying it for me. This back. Oh, I had it and I lost it. There it goes. Oh. Oh, there. Now I just need to tighten these hose clamps down there. This ain't the right way to do it. But I tore apart my radiator cap and I hooked up the steam port here. Oh, I hate these little clamps. Probably wouldn't be so bad if I had the right pair of pliers. Put this is underneath. Of course, it had to go all the way back up under there. Okay. So, this. Make sure this one's good and snug because this line's a little bit big for this fitting. I think that's good. Alright, now I'm going to throw my drain plug back in it. If you need to find out how to pull out the drain plug, you can probably look up a video on just pulling out the drain plug. This is more just for fixing this steam vat. Okay, I'm putting Dexcool, O'Reilly's brand, full strength, must add water. So when I add pretty much most of this gallon, then come back and just add water. Always make sure to pull these off, especially on oil. Worst thing you can do is lose one of those down into a valve cover pouring oil. It's happened. So be careful about that. I'm going to have to finish this off. If you haven't already modified yours like I had, I'm going to have to go ahead and put a overflow tank back on this line here. And then once I put an overflow tank back on this line here, I'm going to put a new radiator cap because I destroyed the bottom of this radiator cap so that it would be able to steam port off into there. I don't recommend doing it this way. It worked for me. I always felt like it was wrong. I don't know what else to tell you about it. Alright, I got about 3/4 of that in there now. So I'm going to just add 3/4 of a quart of water. And if you want to pause the video for a second, I'll go grab the water. I'm filming here. I just added water. It's what I had. gonna shove this one back on here. Let's give her a start up, see what happens. Sometimes I have a problem with this back here. I have a short. I might have to my door key that fits the door and the ignition. Ah, gonna have to wiggle it. I can already hear it clicked on. As soon as you start wiggling and messing with this connection, maybe I'll make a video about fixing that connection if y'all want. Hit the like, share, subscribe button. Leave comments, maybe I'll make that video.
It's like 39 degrees out here.
This just goes to show you, not everything goes as planned. I planned on having this all perfect for y'all, and I don't have the cap, so I guess this is where we leave off, guys. Thanks for watching my video. I'll get the cap and I'll update you later, but also this is an update on my LS swap. It is in there. It is running. A little bit embarrassed on the way things look in here, but I'm slowly but surely getting it settled back in, and we'll give y'all updates as they come along. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. Alright everybody, I got the new cap on here. It says 13. I think they said 14 on the package. 13 or 14.1, I'm not sure. I got this overflow on here. I just put it on there out of a Honda. There was just a scrap car that I had here at the house, so that I got all that working. While I was getting the radiator cap, I also ended up picking up a dimmer switch for it to make the headlights work. So I wrapped it up here, as you can see. It's all working. I don't know if you noticed earlier, but whenever I started my motor, it kind of revved up a little bit. That's because my brake booster here is bad. So I'm going to be making an update on the brake booster really soon. So if you hit that like, share, subscribe button, leave a comment, I'd greatly appreciate it, y'all. And this is my project. I'll give you a little walk around real quick. I did most of the interior on it myself. Still got the original seat off in it. I did the door panel, that's why they look so bad. I did the dash pad, I painted it all. Right now, I've just got the gas tank out of my Silverado. Well, that's the original gas tank there. And what I plan on doing is I'm going to put a fuel pump off inside of it, if I can. I've still got my original Silverado gas tank here, so I just had to strap it in temporarily. That's what I'm working with. I put new wheels on it last year, so that's different. I did get the LS swap running. It's still got a TH350 off inside of it, so it's not nowhere near done, but it's getting closer. Thank y'all. If you'd hit the like, share, and subscribe button, I'd appreciate it. Y'all have a good day.